Hi guys, my name's Caitlin. I'm here with AVGearShop. Today we're going to be installing in-ceiling speakers using 5 easy steps. Today we're going to be installing the Klipsch R-1800-C in-ceiling speaker. This time we went ahead and we already had our speaker wires pre-wired. If you're moving into a new home, you can get the builder to pre-wire before the drywall goes up. If you don't already have your ceiling pre-wire, you're going to have to fish the wire through yourself. To start, you're going to need some tools for this installation. Goggles, a Phillips screwdriver, gloves, a pencil, a ladder, a stud finder if you haven't already pre-wired your ceiling. Last but not least, you need a drywall saw. A drop cloth is optional to make cleanup easier. Step 1 is to choose your location. Simply place the template in the appropriate spot and trace the outline. So next you're going to grab the drywall cutter and you're going to cut a hole following the inside of your template. And as a reminder, you want to stay inside the lines because you don't want your hole to be too wide. Okay guys, so you probably realize that I'm not wearing my safety glasses, but I have glasses on so my eyes are protected. So now you want to grab the wire and fish it through the hole. Before completing the installation, it's always a good idea to do a sound check. Before you place the speaker in the ceiling, you need to make sure these little dog ears are flipped inwards towards the speaker prior to going into the ceiling. For the final touch, simply place the grill over your speaker. Push it in securely. And now it's time to invite the fam. Remember to visit us at avgearshop.com for our wide selection of in-ceiling speakers.